Unraveling Out of Line, Mastering its Use in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and use of a common English phrase, out of line. Understanding such phrases can not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you grasp the nuances of English conversations. So, let's get started. Out of line is an idiomatic expression in English. When someone is said to be out of line, it means that they are behaving inappropriately or disrespectfully. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal discussions. It's important to understand that this phrase often carries a connotation of crossing a social or moral boundary. To better understand out of line, let's look at some examples. 1. At work, imagine a colleague makes an unfair remark about another's work. You might say, "I think your comment was out of line." 2. Among friends, if a friend makes a joke that is a bit too harsh or personal, you might tell them, "Hey, that joke was really out of line." 3. In family settings, if a child responds rudely to an elder, a parent might say, "Your behavior towards grandma was out of line." In each of these scenarios, the phrase is used to indicate that someone's behavior was not acceptable. While out of line is the most common form, you might also hear step out of line. This can mean to act inappropriately or to deviate from what is expected. Cross the line, similar to out of line, but often implies a more serious or deliberate act of inappropriate behavior. Understanding these variations can help you grasp the subtle differences in conversations. It's crucial to understand the cultural context when using phrases like out of line. What is considered out of line in one culture might be perfectly acceptable in another. As language learners, being aware of and sensitive to these differences is key to effective communication. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase out of line and its use in the English language. Remember, mastering such idiomatic expressions can really enrich your conversational skills and make you sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful language learning content.